Hi lovelies, it's Ethany and my witch's bounty is finally here. There's, Canada Post is... I'm just going to sip some tea here. It's coffee. Let's just put it this way. I've had to call and complain a number of times about our delivery system and I pay for services. It's annoying. But the witch's bounty, which is something to be very, very happy about, for this September 2019 is here, and we're going to unbox it together right now and go through it all. So I always do such an exquisite job. There's a the box. Okay, so what have we got here? This artwork. Shungite, Elements All. Ooh, oh, she's gorgeous. Eihwaz, yew tree. Oh, so stunning. I want to be her. I do. I want to be this tattooed on the face. I couldn't do it, but this is the artwork. It's absolutely gorgeous. The vulture. I have the skull here. And then we have belemnite, element earth and water, an ancient fossil of a distant deep. Belemnite stabilizes and grounds out excess energy. I should definitely use that. Sometimes I get a little bit, too excited about things. So this is the beautiful artwork. I love all of the colored tissue paper, and then we have the box full of goodies. This was the tissue color this month. We have our cord. This month is a nice brown to go with the earthy colors. I don't know what to open first. Okay, so we have our pouch. Silk pouch, and in here is black tourmaline. So I'm just going to open up our little, we always get these beautiful parchment. I want to read a little bit about Gateway of Eihwaz. Much like an ancient virtue, the virtues of the yew tree, we work to stand tall and unmovable through the hardships that life places before us. These can be related to all interpretations of struggle, both physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. As witches, we understand that struggle is translation of the magic within change. So we have a black tourmaline stone to accompany you. I love black tourmaline. I got lots of it because it's great. It's like a witches absolutely necessarily need in your life. It's great to accompany you on your path. We have included a black tourmaline stone. This very powerful stone is placed within your collection, placed in this collection to act as your psychic protector, allowing your aura to stay clear of imbalance. Keep this stone close to you as you work through your daily challenges. And I actually have a number of pieces gridded in my apartment of black tourmaline. I also have a number of these in my son's room. I have them on every altar. I use them a lot. I have bracelets. I have jewelry. I love this piece. Look at that. It's like a triangle. Look at that. That is so cool. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful piece. I think it's going to go right. No, I keep that right near my working space. I adore black tourmaline. I use it an absolute lot, like all the time. So it's something that is very much a part of my witches practice, and I know a lot of witches feel the same way. So open the oil. I like to do the jewelry last because that's like the piece de la resistance. This is earth and water anointing oil, I'm going to guess. Among earth and water, magical anointing oil. This oil has been created with the pure intention of bringing grounding energies to your aura and tools while the flow of river runs beside you. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Lovely. So it's got, let's see, I'm not going to look. I'm going to smell it first. So I've given it a good shake. They always look just so beautiful. Not rolling that very straight, am I? Yeah. Oh, I smell vanilla, or yep. So it's got vanilla, which I love, almond, cedarwood, and a special mixture of our mountain crossing oil. Oh, it's lovely. It's also lemon balm herbs. Oh, I want to eat. I want to, like, if this was in cake form, I know I shouldn't. Don't do that. Like, oh, that smells so good. That lemon and vanilla, I think, is what's really getting me going. It's what's getting me going. Oh man, that's beautiful. Oh, that's bloody delightful. That is. That's really gorgeous. So lovely. Yeah, that's gorgeous. All right, that's absolutely splendiferous. Okay, so that's the oil. Steadfast spell candle. We've hand rolled this spell candle. Oh my god, the spell candle. How awkward did I sound? With the intention of stabilizing your conviction throughout your meditations and ritual work as you allow the flames. So this is to help you stabilize your energy while you're working in the realms of magic and like meditation. Just gonna unwrap it a bit. I got a big meditation thing tomorrow. I might use this. Come on, you can do it. Oh, look at that color. That's so beautiful. I love how these burn. These burn so well. So, gorgeous candle. Everything always smells so good. So like everyone comes into my house like, oh, it smells good. I'm like, it's all the witches' boxes, you know. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we have the Eihwaz, Shungite and Belemnite Book of Shadows artwork. And it's by obviously A.E. Alden, or as always, it's exclusive to the Witch's Bounty. Then we have I might burn some today. Purification Ritual Incense. I was like, I might do something. I was like, the second I did it, I love their purification oils. I'm just looking up there because it's up there. As you light your purification incense, included with the collection, allow the smoke to drift through your space, and it helps cultivate energy, and it gets rid of physical, spiritual sickness and ickiness. Get out of your life. I'm paraphrasing. They said a lot more glamorous than me. Very, very nice. Smells delicious. All right, now we're going to get into the pieces. This is a jewelry. Never seen the long box before, so what have we got? Shut up. Oh my stars. That is so freaking beautiful. Holy shit, that's gorgeous. Oh my god, and it's even got the rune in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. I'm leaning in, like if I stick my head into the camera, it's going to help. Let's see if you can see the go away face. See how the rune is actually like engraved into this as well. This is flipping beautiful. Oh, great. People are vacuuming upstairs. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. All right, I'm in love. So, okay, the Belemnite Elite Shungite hand-carved Eihwaz pendant. This very unique, one of a kind. Sterling silver pendant includes carved belemnite capped with elite shungite stone. Belemnite is a beautiful fossil from the squid-like cephalopods known to exist in the late Triassic period, known by more than 25 different names among different cultures. It's the finger stone, the devil's finger, the ghostly candle. I'm in love. As stated within the Book of Shadows, artwork included with this collection. Oh, my screen just went. My screen thinks that there's no one here, so it does that sometimes. Oh my gosh. A stone of purification, shungite, detoxifies the body. Oh my gosh. I don't want to read this whole thing because it's like there's a lot of, they've given me a lot of information here. But there is an affirmation. I stand with the ancient elders knowing my truth, grounded as sturdy as the yew tree. Dead. I am just dead. Where is, oh my gosh, I want to put it on right now. This is one of the, I get comments all the time. I wore my Aqua Aura pendant last night out while I was with fellow witch, good friend, coven member, Michelle, and I get comments all the time on it. People are going to throw off at the freaking mouth about this. This is so beautiful. It's never coming off. Holy shit, this is beautiful. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. I love it. Thank you so much to the Witch's Bounty. This is probably, oh my God, and I just feel like this. It was funny, I just put it on and then like this beautiful, cooling, calming energy. Like a breeze. It like, oh my God, it sounds like an absolute whack job. No, it's like this really beautiful feeling in this stone. I wish I could explain it better. This is the Witch's Bounty for September, and it is a fucking stunner. Just beautiful. As always, I'm going to put in the description below where you can go and get your own Witch's Bounty. I'm Ethany. I am absolutely stunned at how gorgeous this is. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day and take care. Big love. I'm going to go and like fawn over this a bit more. And bye. See you next time.